Not only cosmetic products, our skin even needs skincare products too. So we can just hide some blemishes of our skin using cosmetic products, but it is necessary to remove the blemishes and everything from our skin with the help of many skincare products. So today I have bought a haul from the products I have bought from Nykaa, but there are of two brands. One is from Lakme and another is from Plum. Plum, Plum vegan brand that is. And in today's video I will show you some lipsticks from Lakme which comes under the head cosmetic products, and on the other hand I will show some skincare products, not some, a little skincare products from Plum. Hello, I'm Anwesha and I welcome you to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is about skincare as well as cosmetic products from Nykaa. I have brought it from Nykaa. So let's see. So this is the packaging, you can see. This is the total packaging from Nykaa. Here everything. I haven't broke up the seal yet. You can see it's totally sealed up. So I will break it in front of you. So let me just open it and check out what I have, the products that I have from these two brands. Even from the thumbnail you're getting the products that I have from this brand, but let me just individually show it in front of you. So let's just open this box. Let me just open this up. They have packed it really well, like sellotapes are all around and all. So yeah, I am able to open this up. So yeah, this is the box, you can see. Here is the invoice. Then they have wrapped, and all the bubble wraps are present, you can see. So yeah, this is the false one, like at the top they have, just give me this, then the Lakme products. Let me open this up. So here is the product. You can see they are wrapped pretty well in this bubble wrap. So let me just open it up. Yeah, so I have just opened it up. So yeah, this is the thing. So here are three lipsticks and another lipstick. The four lipsticks I have from Lakme 95 range. And the other thing that I have is this one. This one is even wrapped in this bubble wrap pretty well. So let me just open it up. So yeah, I have just opened it up, you can see. So in this I have this one. Plum Experience Kit, Green Tea Experience Kit. Then I have Plum, this is a clear face mask. Then I have a kajal from Plum. Okay, so these are the three things that I have from Plum. So let me just show. So all total I have 4 products from Lakme and 3 products from Plum. So let me just show it all the products individually to you. So let's first start with Lakme. So first Lakme, I have here 3 lipsticks. You can see 3 lipsticks from the Primer Plus Matte Lipstick range from 95, Lakme 95. So the shades that I have are Rosette Motif, Maple Map and Rosy Sunday. So these are the 3 shades that I have. Let me open first. This is Rosy Sunday. So the price of these lipsticks are 500 each and the net weight is 3.6 gram. Okay, so this is the packaging. Here is the lipstick, you can see. So this was the first lipstick. Then let's come to the second lipstick. This is Rosette Motif. Okay, this is the second shade that I have. The price of all the lipsticks are same. Packaging is also same as this one is for, like the same range. So this is Rosette Motif. You can see. And the third shade that I have is this one. This one is Maple Map. The third and the last shade. So this one's the shade Maple Map. So the next lipstick I have is from this Lakme 95 range only. Their Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Cocoa Soft. So this is lip as well as cheek color. So let me just open it and show you. So this is the thing. Yeah, so is completely new, you can see. So yeah, this is the total thing. Yeah, so done with Lakme. Now let's come to Plum. So the from Plum, I have this green tea experience kit. In this kit, they have shown, so it was sealed over here, you can see. It was sealed over here. I'll just open it up. So this is the pouch kind of thing which I like very much. This oatly kind of. So let's just open it up. So first we have green tea alcohol free toner. The next thing we have green tea pore cleansing face wash. The third thing I have is this green tea renewed clarity night gel. Okay, so these are the three things they have provided in this pouch, and this is, hey there beautiful, I am green tea, the oily and acne prone bestie. You can see this leaflet kind of thing. Everything is written like how we have to use these products and all. So this was the thing. I really like this pouch. So this was the toner, face wash and night gel, okay, from Plum. The toner, yeah, the first we have to use this face wash, then we have to use this toner, and then this night gel. This all is for oily and acne prone skin. So the price of this, like the individual price of this, are the mini vouchers. You can see the mini packs of, like you will get this, all this in the big pack also. These are the mini packs. So this one is for, the thing is, the price of this face wash mini one is ₹99, okay, and the volume is 15 ml, okay, and this one, the toner is for ₹149 and it is for 50 ml, and the night gel is ₹175 for 15 ml, okay, and these three are all total. The price of this three is 400 rupees, 399 rupees, okay. So this was the experience kit, like first just to try this out. Then I have this, like this the Plum kajal. You can see. So let's just open it out. Yeah, this one cost ₹495. You can see it is written here. It is written 495 rupees. So let's just open it out. This is creamy texture, paraben free, intensely pigmented, PVC free barrel, just applied look, mineral oil free, gel liner finish, vitamin E enriched. Okay, and this one is written over here that free sharpener is there. So let's just, we have to open it from here. Let's just open this out. Yeah, I have opened it. The packaging is like superb. The packaging is superb. This one is another leaflet kind of thing, a pamphlet kind of thing is present, in which everything is written about the kajal, and their other products are also here stated. The other products, the sharpener and all, everything is written over here. So let's keep it aside. Then let's come to the main part, the kajal. Here is the kajal and here is the sharpener, which is free. So this is the kajal, which is again a sealed one, okay. You can see it's a sealed one. So let me just open the seal of this. And here a tag is given in which the price is written and marketed by, everything is written. This one's actually, yeah. So, yeah. This is the kajal. After opening the packaging, like you can see, this is the kajal. Here everything is written, the MRP, the MRP I think not written. The weight, the manufacturing date, the use before date, which is very much good. Like you don't have to always keep this outer packaging with you to remember the use by date. You will just find it over here written on it. So let's just open it. So this is the kajal. You can see this is not a wooden one, like this is a plastic one. So this is the kajal. Let's keep it aside. The sharpener, this is chotu one, like this is really good. You have to open it like this. Then this is the sharpener, you can sharpen it. This one is written made in Germany. So you can just like keep it in this cover. This one is also very pretty. So let's come to the last product from our haul and from Plum. So the last product is this one, Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. This one is for acne prone as well as oily and as well as combination skin. So this is a mask, face mask. You have to just like a face mask, another face mask. So let's just open it out. Face pack kind of. So here another leaflet kind of thing, a pamphlet. Turn over to get the best results from your clay face mask. Okay. So everything is written like importance and how to get best results and all, everything is written. And this is our tub. So this is the tub, you can see. The tub, glass tub, it is very much heavy. It is very much heavy. So let's just open this one. And the price of this is rupees 490 for 60 gram of product. Okay. Another lid is present over here. The smell is good. The smell is not of green tea, but the smell is good. Like, it smells good. I will surely apply this. I will surely try this one out. So these were the products from today's haul. So let me show you once more the full products. So yeah, these were the lipsticks, 4 lipsticks, you can see. 4 lipsticks. Then we had this green tea experience kit with us. Then we had this kajal and the sharpener with us. Then at last we had this mask, this face pack. Okay. So these were the things, the total things I had in today's haul, today's video. So if you are interested in watching individual videos of this product, then just keep an eye on my channel and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get all the individual reviews of these products. But let me just first use these products up, then I will upload the videos, because without using them, I can't tell you how the products are actually. So just subscribe this channel up and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload the videos about these products and also about another products and another videos. So just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video up. So thank you, bye bye.